Find balance, they say. But that's a lie designed to keep you average. Because the men who build legacies, the ones who bend the world in their direction, they were never balanced. They were obsessed. They went all in. They burned their comfort. They sacrificed being liked, being understood, being well-rounded, just to chase one brutal goal with everything they had. Balance? That's for people who plan on staying ordinary. You don't need balance. You need something worth losing sleep over. You need a reason to wake up with fire in your chest, to say no to pleasure, to skip the party, to miss the call, to be misunderstood. People won't get it. They're not supposed to. Because this path isn't for the masses. It's for the man who'd rather be exhausted from chasing his vision than rested and irrelevant. Every man hits a breaking point, and in that moment, he either folds or he finds a level of obsession he didn't know he had. That's when the shift happens. That's when your name starts carrying weight, not because of talent, but because you kept going when the balanced man backed off. Obsession sharpens you. It hardens your will. It isolates you, yes, but it also transforms you. The truth is, you don't need more motivation. You need to become possessed by a mission, one target, one obsession, one direction that pulls everything else into orbit. No more dabbling. No more trying to do it all. Cut the noise, pick your war, and let it consume you. Stop chasing balance. It's not noble. It's not strong. It's a distraction dressed up as wisdom. You want clarity? Sacrifice distraction. You want purpose? Sacrifice comfort. You want to be remembered? Sacrifice everything average. Because the man who becomes obsessed will always outperform the man who stays balanced.